Hey everyone, do your hands get tired or numb after a long bike ride? On Best Product, we are checking out the best bicycle handlebar grips that can instantly improve your comfort and control. These grips are designed to make every ride smoother, whether you commute daily or enjoy weekend adventures. Let's get started. Let's check out the Bucklos Bicycle Handlebar Grips. Bucklos designed these grips to focus on comfort without sacrificing performance. From the moment you hold them, you can feel the difference. The grips are made from a premium soft composite high-density sponge material. In simple terms, that means they feel cushioned and gentle on your hands. When you ride on rough roads or uneven trails, your bike naturally sends small vibrations through the handlebar. These grips help absorb those vibrations. As a result, your hands feel less pressure and less fatigue, especially during longer rides. It makes a big difference over time. The ergonomic shape is another important detail. The grips are shaped to support your hands in a more natural position. This helps reduce strain on your palms and wrists. Instead of constantly adjusting your grip, your hands can relax while still staying in control. It creates a more enjoyable and confident riding experience. Now let's talk about stability. Bucklos added an aluminum alloy lock ring to each grip. This lock ring keeps the grips firmly attached to your handlebar. Once installed, they stay in place without twisting or slipping. That extra stability is very important, especially when riding on bumpy paths or making quick turns. You always want your grips to feel solid and secure. Even with their strong build, the Bucklos Bicycle Handlebar Grips are lightweight. They do not add unnecessary weight to your bike. This helps maintain balance and keeps your bike feeling responsive. You get comfort and durability without sacrificing performance. The design is slim and clean. These grips do not look bulky or oversized. They blend well with different types of bicycles, from city bikes to mountain bikes. If you care about how your bike looks, these grips keep that modern and performance-focused style. Installation is simple and straightforward. The grips are compatible with the standard 22.2 mm handlebar size. That means they fit most bikes without any special tools or complicated steps. You can upgrade your setup quickly and get back on the road in no time. Overall, the Bucklos Bicycle Handlebar Grips offer a smart balance of comfort, control, and style. The soft, high-density sponge material cushions your hands, the ergonomic design supports your grip, and the aluminum alloy lock ring keeps everything firmly in place. It is a small upgrade that can truly change how your rides feel. Ready to make your cycling more comfortable? Check the price link in the description to learn more, and do not forget to like and subscribe to Best Product for more simple and helpful gear picks. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next one.